Hi, it's Jason with Fresh Start Detail. So one of the dirtiest parts inside your car is what? Your cup holders. You spill stuff in there, you get gum stuck in there, melted crayons, stuff like that, right in your cup holders. Let me show you how we clean those here. So down in there, got to get them clean. We set the camera up here. First is a pre-spray with an interior cleaner that's safe on all plastics and leather. You know, if I get on the leather, no big deal. And then steam, vapor steam cleaner. Get in there and brush that around. That steam just loosens up the dirt. Then we get a soft brush like this. Get in your corners. Because this dirt and coffee and stuff that's all stuck in here, it's not just going to come right up with a little bit of wiping. You know, this is textured down in the bottom. So you really got to get in there. And if needed, you know, these come out, if you didn't know that. So you can really get in there. Then, microfiber towel. We're not done yet though. You got to see all the detailer's secrets. Okay, that got a lot of it up. But then the final touch is this air hose. This blows out the cracks. So that dries it out. Lets us see how we did. Get to inspect it. And there's a spot right there I don't like. So I'm going to go at it again. Dry it. Air hose it. There we go. It's looking better. And then of course, this part wasn't bad. Boom. Clean cup holders. That's how we do the magic. Thanks for watching.